for it.
This is really, really difficult to record. So I'm here in hospital with Dipa, who is my sister.
Hello.
She has been my sister for, if I'm 42 years of age, 42 and a half.
I'm 39 years old, so I've been your sister for 39 years.
She knows what my math skills are like.
Yeah.
So Madden doesn't do things by halves. She passed out multiple times yesterday, and she has a bug.
I have an infection of some sort, yeah.
Yeah, and it's all being investigated and looked at. But this time, almost just under 3 weeks from now, she's going to be travelling to Mexico.
I am.
Where she's going to have the time of her life in this luxurious resort, getting her immune system totally killed off and replaced by harvested stem cells. She's having chemotherapy and she's going to have her head shaved. So yeah, she doesn't do things by halves.
It's gonna be gone.
So this whole treatment of hers is to help her with her multiple sclerosis. It's supposed to help halt the progression, and in some cases people have found that it has helped them become a bit better, or helped relieve some of the symptoms they had been suffering. So we are hoping that Dipa will be able to walk again and do some normal things. Now Miss High Heel Stiletto and short skirt with boobs hanging out kind of girl would like to be able to wear some nice shoes,
Yeah.
and not fall over and not get tired. So you know, it will be really nice for Dipa to regain a little bit of her former self all over again. So she has to pay for this treatment. She can't have it here in the UK because her symptoms do not qualify her to have it done here free of charge on the NHS. And she said, I'll pay for it. And they said, no, you can't have it at all here. And so the MS doctor, she was actually scared to tell him that she's done the treatment. But when she finally did, he shook her hand and said if he was in her place, he would have done exactly the same thing, which makes her feel really good. So, yeah. Miss Baldy here cannot be bald by herself. I'm her older sister, and I know how much it means to her. She was the one that suffered with alopecia as a young child. I've just been through that with my daughter. And I guess I'm going to shave my head to raise some money for her treatment, which is going to cost her 54k. She has alone raised...
nearly 28,000.
28k, wow. Yeah. So I'm going to help her with the rest. My arm is hurting, but I'm going to shave my head. I'm going to shave my head. Please shut the door. I'm going to shave my head. Oh my god. I'm shaving it, I think, week after next.
You're
I've
crazy,
had permission
crazy.
from work. I want to help you, and I'm not going to let you have a bald head by yourself. I'm going to donate my hair to the little princess. They're going to make 4 wigs out of my hair, hopefully, and help provide wigs for little children with cancer.
And we're going to do handicaps.
What are we doing?
Mendicaps.
Oh, Mendy caps, yeah, henna on her head. We'll both have that done as well. So Dipa was going to shave her hair with me, but in the end she's decided, and I think it's the best thing for her, is to have it done with her crew while she's out there, because she's going to be, it's like a whole cycle of treatments, and there's going to be a few of them together doing what the hell? What's wrong?
I'm trying to keep a straight face with it. Oh my god, it just come out.
Dipa's got a severe diarrhea bug right now, which is why she's in hospital. She's all hooked up. And she... Isn't it just great that we can laugh about the things like this and to have that support system? Do you want me to call them?
No, I'll call them.
Yeah.
No, it's not that one. Oh man.
We'll just get camera on while she's getting changes, so it's all cool. So anyway, what we're going to do is put the link down below. You've got links for her treatment and what she's having done. If you know anyone with multiple sclerosis and you want to know about this treatment and how it could benefit, Deepa's done all the research. I have been lazy. She's way better at understanding stuff like this. She's very technical minded. So if she's done her homework, that's fine for me. Is it all squishy and hot down there?
It's really disgusting.
I can't smell anything.
Yeah.
And I'm going to put links to her fundraising page, her GoFundMe page. Please do leave her a message of hope and encouragement. If you can, please do share if you can't donate. And if you donate, then please say that it's come from, you know, this YouTube video, so that I can also come and thank you personally, because it's not my page, it's her page I'm going to link. And I can prove to her how much, you know, you guys all mean to us both. So
Thank you.